These biscuits are the biscuits to die for. These are so nice, right? Mum always generally buys these thin ones here, and they've got chocolate on the backside and a little bit there when they dip it in. I had one of them. I had a selection yesterday. Look at these shortbread selection as well. Chocolate chip shortbreads. We were going to get into the big biscuit industry once upon a time, and we was in talks with someone about bringing out our own version of shortbreads, because I think every builder loves a biscuit. Yeah, anyone in the trade, when you have them round, you give them a plate of biscuits and a cup of tea and a cup of coffee. So I thought, you know what would be good? Have biscuits in every builder's merchant. Yeah. And it was a great idea. And we even designed a tin and everything, but in the depth of it, I sort of bottled it, and I thought, you know what, how many packs are you really going to sell? So we decided not to bother. But they was around this sort of look. But I tell you what, look at these. How much are they for a pack of them, Ren?
£5.
What, for a box?
Yeah.
Right, for a box of biscuits. That's good, no? That's really good.
£5 or £5.50, one of those.
For the quality of the biscuit as well, they're really nice. What, swirls?
Well, it's normally the pack of...
I think that needs a little bit more cream in it though, I've got to say.
The pack I buy you two that you like are £2 a pack. So I bought £2 for two. Well, I might as well buy a nice collection.
Do you not think that needs a little bit more cream in it though?
Yeah, but they're really rich biscuits.
They are rich biscuits. I had one of them last night. I had one of them.
They're lovely.
And I had one of them.
Yeah, they're very nice.
They're very nice. I haven't actually gone into these ones yet.
These ones are toffee.
Are they?
I thought you'd like them ones. They're toffee.
Toffee, yeah?
They are really nice, actually.
And listen, I'm allowed to touch and put back because we're all family and I've washed my hands. And I've washed my hands because I've been washing strawberries as well, so there you go.
They're really nice. But they're really rich.
What is?
We're getting ready for Christmas. We're sampling them now.
We are sampling. These are Christmas selections, right?
They are, they're new collections out. They sell them all individually.
They're very good. They're very, very nice.
We always have a box in the morning.
You know we're doing something in a minute about them strawberries, doing dip, dop, that and coming up with toppings. I reckon she should top some of these. So we can accompany one of them biscuits.
You can like crumble it onto it. She can crumble
or
strawberry.
top a biscuit with the topping to match the strawberry. So she's going to use milk chocolate on the strawberry.
She can crumble it, she can use it as a crumb to dip the strawberry in the chocolate on.
It's not a bad shout.
We put it on nice.
So we could use that. Yeah, that ain't a bad shout.
That will crumble nice.
These are great biscuits. Go along. I haven't tried these ones yet, but these ones, every one of them in there, amazing. Go and give them a try if you like a biscuit and a cup of tea. They will melt in the mouth.
They do.
They're that rich. I don't know how good they are for you.
Yeah, but you only don't need as many as
really?
a pack that aren't as rich.
I sat down last night with a plate because I didn't want to take that to the settee. Because if I took that to the settee, that would have been gone.
You wouldn't have eaten it all.
I would have ate quite a lot.
Yeah, but
I ate 3 and I could have done another 6, I reckon. I would have done triple what I ate. 100% because I was Moorish. I was sitting there licking my lips.
I'm surprised you not had the toffee one yet.
No, I didn't know that. Do you know what? I didn't open that box because I went straight for that.
You broke all the seal and everything.
Yeah, well, that's life in here. We'll just eat them now. Come on.